To draw a rectangle, go to Sketch and then select Rectangle. Choose a rectangle type from the menu. To create a center rectangle, click to place the center. Then, move your pointer and then click to place an outer vertex. To create a diagonal rectangle, click to place the starting point. Then, move your pointer diagonally and then click to place an outer vertex. To create a 3-points rectangle, click to place the starting point of the rectangle. Then, move your pointer to draw a line. This will be the length of the initial side. Click to finalize the length. Move your pointer to define the shape of the rectangle. Click to finalize the shape. To finish, select Exit Sketching. In design history, sketches you subsequently create on the same plane generate a single step in the History sidebar. To view or refine history parameters for a specific sketch step, find the step for your sketch action and open the expandable card. From there, you can modify the plane and projection parameters for your sketch. To change the plane where you want your sketch to be, click or tap, edit or select the side plane. Choose a new plane or face and then select Done to finish. If you have existing linked projections on your sketch, indicated in purple, you will find a summary of the items below the projection parameter. To edit the projections on your sketch, click Edit and then select or deselect the items you want to include or exclude. To finish, select Done. To learn more about projections and the Project tool, visit our Project video.